Hello everybody to lesson 24 of JavaScript for Active Design course. In this lesson we will know something called break and continue, which is used for with looping. For example, here I will go to the code and I'll write here, for example, for loop, okay, for, and I'll write here, for example, var I equals 0, I smaller than or equal 10, for example, 10, then semicolon, then I plus plus. Great, which is simple code. And I will have here, for example, condition if, okay, and I'll write here the document. I'll write the elements over there, document dot get element by ID, then I'll write the ID, which is header 2 dot inner HTML and equal, let's print here plus equal, then space, then I'll write here, for example, the I, which was have it here, there. Save it and refresh and see what we have. Only from 0 to 10. I need to use to break. For example, if he arrived to 5, I need him to stop, and the loop to stop. So I have here a condition. I'll say if I, okay, if I equal 5, go over here and break, means stop all the loop. If I equal 5, stop the loop, means he will not print the 5. Great, refresh, so it doesn't print the 5. If I moved this code here, it will print the 5 because the printing is before, so the compiler or the translator goes from top to down, so he will goes from here, he will print, then he will go to the condition, okay. But in the previous he went to the condition, to the the statement here, then he went to the printing, so it will not in this case print the 5 because it breaks before it went to the to the printing. Great, this about the break means stop in a place. For example, we have, if we remove this, he will go from 0 to 10, but we need him to stop in a specific place, for example, which is when the I equal 5. Imagine I need the browser or the compiler or this code, I need it to jump. For example, imagine I will refresh now. I need it if he arrived to 5, I need him to jump to 6 directly. Means don't go to 5, jump only to 6. I will say like the following: if I equal 5, continue. Continue means jump to the next. Okay, so as long as we arrive to 5, he will jump. So let's refresh, save and refresh. So it starts 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then there is no 5. Why? Because it continued, so it jumped to 6. Great. We could have, for example, many elements. For example, if I equal 5, or I equal 7, or I equal 9, jump. So it will jump where, if it is 5 or 7 or 9, it will remove them. Refresh. So 5 is deleted, 7 too, also the 9. Great. Why? Because we have continue. Great. So we could have these elements to control the loop. Imagine I have a loop and I need it to stop whenever we have a state that tell us that we have ended the target of the loop and no need for the looping, so it will exit. So it's useful sometimes with some conditions. You will find them with programming. So it's enough for now. I think it's clear. So continue means jump to the next step, and break means stop at the first item you found it. For example, 5, it will stop in 5. So 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, then 4. Great. It's enough for now, and see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.